I am finally finished with my work.
Wow, Tom. You worked hard for 3 hours.
Look! I solved all 20 difficult math problems.
Our math teacher will be very happy with you tomorrow.
I need to rest my hands now, so I will leave it here. My body feels so stiff from sitting down.
Tom, look at Max. He is staring at your paper.
Don't worry, Lisa. Max is just a good, friendly boy. Oh no, Max has my math homework in his mouth.
Look, he is running directly towards the kitchen.
Ouch! I missed him, and my knee hurts.
Come here, Max. Give the homework back to me.
He is much too fast for us to chase.
Let us use a clever trick. Walk very slowly behind him.
Okay, I am walking very quietly behind him now.
And I am crawling on my knees on the floor.
I am grabbing for the paper right now. Oh no! I fell down on the hard floor again. He is running into the big backyard now.
Let us open the door and follow him outside.
Stop! We cannot step on Mom's beautiful plants.
Walk carefully between the lines of vegetables like this. Make sure you don't step on them.
Oh no! My clean sneakers are getting very muddy.
Good boy, Max. Please stay completely still for me.
Lisa, let us find a toy to exchange for the paper.
I am looking for his favorite round, red tennis ball.
Will he drop the homework if I wave this yellow rope?
No, look. This red ball is much better than the rope.
Listen to the sound. Do you want to play fetch?
Keep his attention, Tom. I am moving behind him. Tom, come here quickly. He went inside the big berry bush.
These branches have small, sharp thorns on them. We should be careful. But we can use a long tool to reach him.
I am entering the shed to find something long.
Look at this. This pool noodle is very long and soft.
This wooden rake is longer, but it might tear the paper.
Let us use the soft pool noodle. It is safe for the dog.
Yes. Let us hurry back to the berry bush before he eats the math homework.
I will push this soft noodle inside the bush very carefully.
Push it slowly so you do not hurt his eyes or nose.
Whoa!
He is pulling the noodle with his teeth.
Hold the noodle tightly with both of your hands, Tom.
He is a very strong dog. I cannot pull him out. My hands are sweating. The plastic is too slippery. Now he has my homework and the pool noodle too.
I have a new idea. Dogs do not like taking baths. I am going to turn on the cold water sprinkler. I must turn the handle to the left to open the water.
Be very careful, Lisa. The green grass is completely wet and slippery. Oh no, my favorite clothes are totally ruined and dirty. He stopped running. He is looking right at me.
I am almost touching the paper. Just one more inch. I have it. I successfully grabbed the homework. Oh no, Tom. I hear a car horn. Mom and Dad are home early.
We must go inside immediately before they open the front door. Oh no, I am leaving dirty footprints everywhere I walk.
Grab a clean towel from the bathroom, quickly.
There is no time. I hear the front door opening right now.
Hello, everyone. We decided to come home early today.
Why is the living room floor completely wet?
Tom, why are you covered in wet, brown mud?
And why is the dog bringing me a wet pool noodle inside the house?
We had a very small emergency with my school homework.
Max thought Tom's math paper was a fun toy to chew.
So, you chased the dog through the muddy garden to save the homework?
Yes, Dad. We are very sorry for making a big mess in the house.
Well, nobody is hurt, and you saved the paper. That is good.
The corners are chewed, but all the math answers are perfectly safe.
Lisa, please get the mop and the bucket from the kitchen.
Tom, take off those muddy shoes and go straight to the bathroom.
Yes, Dad. I will wash the mud off my body right now.
Look, Max finally got a new toy to play with.